Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jen. This is Just Jen's Things. These are things that make me smile. We are back, guys, with a little off-topic video today, you guys. This is not sponsored. They did not send these to me for free. I just want to shout out this company. Guys, I really am enjoying collecting these pieces, and I buy them with my own money, you guys. They just mean a lot to me, and I want to share this with you. So guys, today's video is about 2 more pieces that I got in from Katia Designs, which is a small woman-owned business down in Florida. And you guys, her pieces are motivational and inspiring, and I have fallen completely in love with these pieces. So every time I do get some new pieces in, I will be going ahead and sharing them with you guys. But let's jump into today's video. I think once you hit your 40s, you really start looking back on your personal story of what you've been through, the things that you have accomplished, or the things that, you know, the hills that you've been able to overcome in your life. And you look back on these things and you realize every small little dip or valley was an accomplishment that you were able to get through. And motivation is such a huge player, I guess, in my life, you guys. And it's something of having those silent reminders where I look for those and they inspire you and they keep you going, especially when you're going through so much at this stage of life. But this necklace is from Katia Designs, guys. This is one of the first pieces that I got from her, and I love this. There's my hair on it. I love this piece, and guys, it says my thoughts create my reality, which is very true. I really believe that. The more that you focus on the positive aspects of your life and what's going on, the more that you will find more positivity coming to you. Is the bracelet I got from Katia, and it has a little medallion, and this one says what you seek is seeking. So as you guys know, I really love color, so I love this piece. I love the pieces because they're magnetic. When you have nails, guys, it's so much easier. You can just put them on. You can also layer them, and it's just who I am. Really cute. But you guys, I got 2 more pieces in from Katia, and I can't wait to share what they are with you guys. So this is the first one. These did come in like a bubble mailer. This is the first one. I love her packaging, and this is like her business card, and it says it's not just jewelry, it's a feeling. I love her packaging. She has like a little bit of tissue. And then guys, I got another sticker. This one is Just Breathe, All Is Well. I love it. I think I'm gonna put them on my car. And then it comes, guys, in this really cute like dust bag. And here we go. So this is the first one. You guys, look. Okay, so it's showing up kind of like a little bit of a different color, but these crystals are actually purple. They're really beautiful. This is a choker style that I picked up from her. And this is in silver, this is so cute, guys. I am just, it's a little hard to tell, but I just had to do the purple because, guys, purple is actually my favorite color. And look how cute! Look how cute that is. So let me show you guys the medallion. Super easy to put on, which is what I love. But on this one, you have a fox, and on the other side, it says, I am worth it. And when I bought this, because she hand makes them, which is amazing. When I bought this, I was going through a little bit of a something, and I was feeling kind of down on myself, and it was just like, you know what? I'm worth it. I'm worth it. I am worth, and my creativity is worth it, and my prices are worth it, and what I put out in the world is worth it, and what I seek back is worth it. And I can feel positive about that, and I can feel good about that. I am worth it, and it is not trouble. I am not asking or expecting too much in life, and it's okay for me to have dreams and goals and go after them, and it's okay for me to say no. And yeah, so guys, that is the first piece. I am loving her jewelry. It really just, I find when I'm ready to buy a piece that I gravitate towards the one that it's like, I need that one today, and when it comes in, it's gonna remind me that that was what I needed to hear. So guys, that was my first Katia piece. And then this is my second one, and I'm so excited about this one too. Okay, so this is the sticker I got in this one, and this says hashtag RWTFYA. Remember who the fuck you are, from Katia Designs. And that is the energy that sometimes you just need in life, guys. You just need that. And I don't usually curse on this channel, guys, pretty much ever, but sometimes you need a little bit. And the guys, yeah, I'm so excited about this one. So, okay, I'm gonna take off this one. So this one is the silver that has the purple crystals, and it says, I am worth it. And then this one, you guys, is the one that, this is black with the golds. And you guys, I needed this one. This is like a moon, and then it says, fuck it. Because you know what? Sometimes you just need that energy, guys, of reminding yourself, fuck it. I am not gonna go ahead and put up anymore with the stuff I don't have to put up with. And I love that. So you can wear it with the moon facing out, or you can wear it with the inscription facing out. And it's just a little something to remind yourself and to have that energy close to you and be like, hey, you know what? It's okay, guys. But yeah, every once in a while, we need a little bit of that energy. When you reach into your 40s, guys, and you're just like, I have gone through and done and been through so much. I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna do me. But yeah, I love it. So guys, if you love or are interested in like supporting a small woman-owned business, you can use my referral link. I am not getting commission or paid for sharing the link. If you do use the link, I do get points, which then can help me buy my own purchases. But it is just a referral link, but I really want to share her brand. And you guys, you can layer these together, which I think is so cool. So let me show you guys how you can layer these, which is so cool. So you can layer her designs like this. Oh, there you go. So you can have like, have it long, have it short. You can do all kinds of things with her designs. But so cool, you guys. I absolutely love her jewelry. I love that it means something. And yeah, so that's Katia Designs. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know down below if you need a little Katia energy in your life too. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.
They move too fast. fast, honey. For pictures. Not me again.